The government of Sudan and the COMESA concluded to host the headquarters of the Justice COMESA Khartoum Court. Under the agreement, Khartoum officially became the permanent home of the court. The government of Sudan construction of the building and furnishing and installation of the internet and communications at a cost of $6 million. Supervised by the Ministry of Justice on all construction and rehabilitation operations of the court building, and the ministry leaders make frequent visits to the court building. The Minister of Justice Maulana Muhammad Bushara Dosa and Engineer Osama Wanasi and Minister of the Presidency Mr. Uthman Omar Sharif and Foreign Trade Minister to hand over the building lawfully to the COMESA Secretariat through an official ceremony held in honor of the occasion. Department of Public Information and documented for fairest hearing of the judges of the COMESA Court of Justice as a prelude to direct judges to formally work and jurisdiction of the court in the field of separation between commercial disputes countries of COMESA Court of Justice. The COMESA market for Eastern and Southern Africa is a regional integration grouping of 19 African countries: Burundi, Comoros, Congo, Djibouti, Egypt, Eritrea, Ethiopia, Kenya, Libya, Madagascar, Malawi, Mauritius, Rwanda, Seychelles, Sudan, Swaziland, Uganda, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. The court is one of the organs of the common market that are established under Article 7 of the Treaty of the Common Market for Eastern and Southern Africa, COMESA. The other organs are the Authority of Heads of State and Government, the Council of Ministers, the Committee, Technical Committee, the Secretariat, and Consultative Committees. The court was established in 1994 by the treaty establishing COMESA as an organ of the common market. The court traces its ancestry from the preferential trade area for Eastern and Southern Africa states (PTA). In addition to other jurisdictions, it took over those enjoyed by 3 judicial organs which existed within the PTA when it was transformed into COMESA. These judicial bodies are the PTA Tribunal, whose function under the PTA Treaty was to ensure proper interpretation of provisions of the treaty and to adjudicate only in disputes between member states arising from the interpretation and application of the treaty. The jurisdiction of the tribunal was narrow and to ad hoc status and lack of separate badge stifled its growth. The PTA Administrative Appeals Board, whose jurisdictions under the PTA Treaty was to adjudicate in disputes between the PTA.